Lotha Naga traditional troop to participate on 21st at Pholoni for this APHLC 7 Rising Day. There's a rehearsal is going on. These are the troops from the Lotha Nagas. They are going to present a very beautiful, kind of there's a folk songs with a beautiful traditional diet on 21st. So may I request all our indigenous tribal to be a part of these occasions and witness the various of these indigenous tribes kind of cultural dance and all. Yes, from the Nagas, some groups are going to present from the eastern part also, and then from the other tribes are also preparing to participate on this 21st at Pholoni for this 7th Rising Day of the APHLC. So these are the rehearsals going on. So we'll meet there. Till then, bye everyone.